Hello friends, I'm Ramdev and you are welcome in our video today. Now I will talk to you about an incredible Ayurvedic capsule which upon consumption increases the size of your penis more than 3 times. This Ayurvedic capsule has been made by using an African formula because African herbs have been put in it while making it. Apart from this, if the size of your penis is small or your sexual timing is lesser, if your sperms get ejaculated only in 1 or 2 minutes, even then this is very helpful for you. If you feel tired while having sex, or there is a low sperm count, if you want to boost your testosterone, or if there is any kind of sexual problems with you, then this will help in solving all of that. Yes friends, today in this video we will talk about this Mustang capsule, which you can see. This Mustang capsule here has been prepared by using an African formula. So here in this video we will talk about this Mustang capsule, what all ingredients have been put in this, which African herbs and roots have been put in this, how does this work and what are its benefits, and what are the doses for this capsule, what is the price of it and where will you find it. If you want to get all the detailed information about these Mustang capsules, then watch this whole video from beginning to end. Friends, this Mustang capsule is sold not just in India but throughout the world, and millions of people in India have taken its benefit. Mustang capsule is an incredible power booster. It is a sexual power booster. First of all, let's talk about its ingredients. So let me zoom on it and show you all the ingredients. So the first herb which has been mentioned here is Mulando. Mulando is an African herb which has been used by African people for many centuries to increase the size of their penis. This capsule not only increases the size of your penis but also improves the blood circulation of the tissues, which further improves the size of the penis. Testosterone hormones are boosted and by improving the sexual power and increases the erection size. Apart from this, many wonderful herbs have been put in this Mustang capsule like Shatavar, Ashwagandha, Conch ke beej, Dalchini, Long, Jaipal, Ajwain, Akarkara, Shuddh Kuchla, Vitari Kand, Gokuru, Ras Sindoor, Bagh Bhasma, Mukta Sukti and many other herbs. So all these herbs together come to give a lot of benefits to the men and they increase the size of the penis as well. And now look, Mustang capsules look like these. One pack has 30 capsules in it. And how much is the course? That I will tell you later in the video, that how much is its course. So the benefits of this Mustang capsules are, it increases the size of the penis. It improves your sexual power. If the sexual timing is less and you have the problem of early ejaculation, then this increases the sexual timing as well. If you have a low sex drive, then it increases the need for sex as well. It helps in erecting the penis properly, which means it helps to solve the problem of erectile dysfunction. It removes the weakness of the nerves, it makes the sperm fluid thicker, and it boosts the testosterone hormone. If you want to purchase this Mustang capsule, then I have given the link in the video description. You can purchase it from there, or you can buy it from the numbers which have been shown on the screen right now. Alright friends, so now talk about what should be the dose of this Mustang capsule, and then later we will talk about its price. So first of all, let's talk about its dosage. So you have to take 1 capsule after dinner, that is at night. You have to take it with warm milk, and this is a course of a whole 1 month because there are 30 capsules in 1 pack. But if you want to take full advantage of it, if you want all the benefits from this capsule, then you must take this capsule for at least 3 months. You can also buy it online. As I said, you will get the link in the description below, or you can call the numbers which you can see on the screen and then you can purchase it. And if we talk about the price of this Mustang capsule, then the price is rupees 5,000. You get 30 capsules in rupees 5,000. It is so expensive because the Mulando herb in this capsule is imported all the way from Africa. The quality of the herb is very good. And apart from that, the quality of all other herbs is also very good. And that is why it is so costly. If you take the whole course of 3 months, then you can get many offers on it. So if you want to buy this Mustang capsule, then you can purchase it immediately from the numbers which you can see on the screen. You can purchase this Mustang capsule from the link given in the video description.